Number 131. Tanya invested 100,000 in a mutual fund. If the value of her account increases by 9% per year, what will be the value of her mutual fund account in 10 years? So, to answer this question, we could use the compound interest formula, a simplified version of it where it's compounded annually. So the future account value, A, is going to be equal to the initial principal times 1 plus R raised to the T. Her initial investment is 100,000. The interest rate is 9%, so 0.09, and T is 10. One plus 0.09, that's 1.09. So when you multiply 100,000 by 1.09, you're going to get the account value after an increase of 9%. And we're going to do this 10 times, so we're going to see the value of it compounded over 10 years. So 100,000 times 1.09 raised to the 10. This is $236,736.38, rounded to actually 37 cents. So that's rounded to the nearest cent. So that's going to be her account value after 10 years.